You have watched videos about being hurt, about anger, about people saying the wrong thing. But today, we are going to talk about something harder. What if you were the one who said wrong things? What if you are the reason someone cried today? And this one takes guts. But if you watched till the end, you will become the kind of the person most adults never manage to be. So here's something that nobody wants to admit. Every single one of us has hurt someone we care about. Every single one. But the question is never I am a good person. But the real question is what do I do after I hurt someone? Because how you handle that moment, that is the truest measure of your character, right? So let's hear out a story. So meet Priya, 11-year-old, funny, sharp, popular. One day at lunch, her friend Meera showed up wearing a new dress. Meera was super excited. She had saved up for weeks to buy it. Priya looked at it and said, in front of everyone, "Oh, that's a bit much, isn't it?" The table laughed. Meera smiled too. That kind of smile, that's actually just holding tears back. And she didn't come to school the next day. That evening, Priya lay in the bed and felt it, that heavy, squirming feeling in her chest. You know that feeling, right? That's your conscience. And it's one of the most important feeling you will ever have it. When we hurt someone, most people do one of these three things. They pretend it didn't happen. She's probably fine. They make excuses. I was just joking. Can't she take that joke too? Or they over apologize so fast. It's really not about making themselves feel better, not the other person. None of these actually heal anything. The real repair happen and it's the rarer one and the hardest one. But it's the only thing that actually works in these moments. So here's the truth about the guilt. Guilt is not your enemy. Guilt is your moral compass telling you, hey, buddy, you matter enough to know when you have done wrong. The problem is, most people either ignore it completely or they drown in it and do nothing to it. But there's a third path. Use it as a fuel to do something brave. So here's your tool for today. And I call it as care method. See, confess it to yourself first. Before you say anything to anyone, sit with it. Say, what I said was hurtful. I caused that pain, that's on me. No excuses, no but, just own it. That honesty is the foundation of everything. A for apologize. The right way. Not that, I'm sorry you got upset. That's not an apology. That's blame in disguise. Not like, I'm sorry, but the but cancels everything before it actually repair it. A real apology sounds like, hey, I said something hurtful to you. I was wrong and I'm really sorry. Short, clear, no condition. R for repair it. Words alone aren't enough. Ask, what can I do to make this better? Maybe it's telling the people who laughed that it wasn't actually funny. Maybe it's showing up for them the next day. Action after apology is what makes it real. Then E for evolve from it. Meaning, ask yourself, why did I say that? Was it to get a laugh, to feel more powerful, or to fit in? Whatever is the reason, know it, name it. Because understanding why you hurt someone is the only way to make sure you don't repeat it again and don't hurt anyone else. So imagine if Priya had used the care method. That evening, she texted Meera, I said something really unkind today. I was trying to find to be funny and I was wrong. I'm really sorry. No excuses, no but. It was just a joke, just truth. And Meera, who had been crying in her room, reads it, puts her phone down, and feels something loosen in her chest. She comes to school the next day, and their friendship, well, doesn't just survive, it becomes something deeper than it ever was before. Because Meera now knows Priya is someone who knows her mistake. And that kind of a person, you keep them close forever. Apologizing doesn't make you weak. It doesn't mean you are a bad person. It means you are a rare one. Because in a world full of people making excuses, the person who says it, I was wrong, I am sorry, let me fix it, stands out like a light in a darker room. So be that person. So here's the challenge for the week. Think of someone you may have hurt recently or a long time ago. Someone whose face came to mind while you were watching this. Use the care method. Start with the step one. Just confess it to yourself first. You don't have to do anything yet. Just sit with it honestly. And if you are brave enough, drop a comment below and say, I owe someone an apology. No names, no details, just those 5 words. Watch what happens in the comments. So hit subscribe button because next week we are talking about something that affects every single person watching. That is what to do when you feel like you are just not enough. That's one. Don't miss it out.